Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope guys you are good. And this is
Younger son man.
this is my younger son. And I am asking question and today he is giving answer. Okay man?
Okay.
What is your name?
Go. Son man.
Gauran Sharma. Okay. And which class do you study baby?
LKG. Jai Hind.
Yeah, Jai Hind, LKG. Which subject do you like most?
Hindi.
Hindi. Okay. Who teach you? Ma'am? Yes, sir.
Ma'am.
Okay. Do you know what name your teacher?
Promia ma'am.
Promila ma'am. Okay. How many subject in your class?
A B C D. Chota bada A. Kakha gagha. 1 2.
Okay. Do you have friend?
Yes. I have
What is name your friend?
Kota.
Your friend name. Tell me your friend name.
School.
Yeah, school friend. Tell me school friend.
In my school.
Himanshu.
What are the
How many friend you have?
1?
Only one.
Yes.
Okay, so which game you liked most?
Football.
Huh?
Football.
Football.
Yes.
Okay. Which water animal do you like, baby?
Shark.
Shark.
Yes.
Oh. How many member in your family?
6.
6. How many siblings do you have, baby?
1.
One.
Brother.
Brother. Do you have brother? Big या small brother?
Big.
Big.
Yes.
Your brother fight with you?
Yes. Anytime you fight.
Okay. Anytime fight.
Yes.
Properly.
I not comfortable.
You not comfortable here?
Yes.
Okay. You not comfortable here. My baby not comfortable. Now you comfortable? Huh?
Mm,
Now you comfortable?
yes.
Okay. Can I ask question?
Yes. Ask.
Ask. So, Man, do you like go to your village?
Yes.
Who live there in village?
Grandmother, grandfather.
You are right. And when you visit your village, so what will you do there?
Playing.
Playing. With whom you playing?
My brother.
Brother.
Yes.
Okay. So
And toys.
and toys. How many toys you have?
So many.
So many.
Yes.
Okay. So you tell me which fruit do you like most?
Mango.
Mango. Why you like mango?
This is my national fruit.
Okay, this is national fruit.
Yeah.
Who told you all things?
My ma'am.
All things.
Yes.
Okay. First sit properly. Otherwise, I not make your video. You say na, Mama, make my video. If you make your face like this, so I'm not making your video. Animal you like most?
Tiger.
Tiger.
Yeah.
Why you like tiger?
This is national animal.
This reason you like.
Yeah.
You seen tiger?
Yes.
Where you seen tiger?
The zoo में.
Okay, in the zoo.
Yes.
Okay. My baby seen tiger. And like baby, which bird you like?
Peacock.
Peacock. I know why you say peacock. Why you like peacock?
This is national bird.
This is national bird. So which food do you like most? Junk food or healthy food?
Junk.
Junk food do you like?
And healthy food.
Okay, so what you like most, junk food and
I like junk food burger.
burger and only burger?
No.
Huh.
Burger and pizza
Okay, and healthy food?
and rajma chawal.
Rajma chawal.
Yes.
Do you vegetarian or non-vegetarian?
No vegetarian.
Vegetarian. So man, you tell me how old are you?
4-year-old.
4-year-old. So how many language you speak?
Hindi,
Huh?
English,
Huh? And your native language? Bagheli?
Bagheli.
Yeah, you speak also Bagheli.
Chappai is Bagheli, Paduka is Hindi, is Shepherd is English.
Yeah, good Shabas. And which family member you like most?
Ma.
Ma. Why you like your mama?
Mama is young so much.
Okay, mama I love you so much.
Yes.
So why you not like your brother?
He all time hitting me.
All time hitting you.
Yes.
Oh my God, my little baby. Yeah, what you did today?
Playing.
Only played.
Yes.
Okay. How much you like play?
So much.
So much.
And more.
And more.
Huh?
Do you like worship God?
Yes.
Okay. Which mantras you learn?
Hanuman Chalisa
Hanuman Chalisa, हाँ.
to Mary Mata.
Tome Mata. Okay.
First you sit properly. I'm not comfortable. You not comfortable? Okay. Now you comfortable. If you sit here, so you not seen. Yeah, you comfortable here, but you sit here. You sit here. Yeah. Now you comfortable? Yes.
You know guys, he said every day, Mama, you make my video. You make my video. This reason I am making this video. What did you eat at morning at your breakfast?
Sandwich.
Sandwich. What did you take a bath?
Yes, I took a bath.
हाँ, you took bath. And did you brush your teeth?
I don't brush the teeth.
You did not brush your teeth.
No.
Why? Why you did not brush your teeth?
This is spicy Colgate.
Okay, that Colgate is very spicy.
Yes.
So which Colgate you like?
Sweet Colgate.
Sweet Colgate you like?
Yes.
Okay. Time your father when will buy any Colgate, so I suggest him. Okay, you buy sweet Colgate because my baby likes sweet Colgate.
My papa not speak English. Okay, your father not speak English. Yes. Okay. My mother speak English. Your mother speak English. Yes. So you like speak English? Yes. You like what you like most? Speak what you like most? Hindi or English? English and Hindi. Both? Yes. Okay. So why you kiss me? Why you kiss me? I love you so much, my mother. Acha, you love me so much? Yes. Okay, so
Say something to your friends.
thank you.
Thank you watching my video and keep practicing. Okay,
And keep practicing.
bye bye.
Bye bye.